Hello, welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Alison and today I'm going to be sharing with you our new kit. So this is kit 36. Can't believe we've got so far. But this is called the Nordic Diamond Gift Box. So onwards and upwards, you can see lots of lovely samples around me and I'll share all those with you afterwards. So what do we have in the box? Let's have a look at the dies first, shall we? Because we normally do the Nuvo, but we'll do the dies, I think, today. We've got a little... Let me just pop this up here. So this is how your die set is going to come to you. So you have your two acetates with your dies already attached. So as you can see, it's a lovely little gift box. So you're going to cut the gift box twice and then add your decorations after. If you're cutting into the cardstock, do all the cutting in before you do any glue in. I'm just going to sneak under here and I'll get the dies to show you. So this is what you get. Oops, turn that around. This is what your gift box is going to look like. So that's the cutout. Here are the layers. And then you've got the lovely tags and little decorations added on top. So these are the patterns that will be cut into those shapes. So they're very, very, totally Christmas, but if you didn't want to use them for Christmas, obviously bring your pattern papers in and make them for any style you choose. But we have little snowflakes, we have reindeers, Christmas trees, baubles, everything down that Christmas line. We also have your sentiments. So we've got Noel, love, peace and joy. And your little tags that you can put your recipient's name on and anything else that you want to put, your little secret messages. So on top of that then we have a lovely little stamp set. So this is the stamp set. So we have a couple of words that all go together. So we have Merry, Winter, Christmas, Wishes and Cheer. So you can mix and match any of those together. Then we have Love, Peace and Joy, Joy on its own, Merry and Bright, Merry Little Christmas, To and From, and then our decorations of snowflakes, stars and hearts. So a lovely little selection, and this is not going to be just for this box. This will be decorating your Christmas cards as well. I can see them. I can just see them on the Facebook page where you're sharing everything. So I'm just going to pop this away and then we can show you a little bit more of what is in the magic box. By looking around me, you've probably already guessed the colour scheme. So our colour scheme is reds and golds. So I'm just going to pop out our papers first. So we have our lovely handmade paper. So this is a cotton paper. It's 130 GSM. You can see, again, you can see the deboss on the back. And that's got a lovely sheen on the front. Beautiful for layering up your cards and your boxes. So this one, this is Ruby Gemstone. I was trying to find the name. No, I might be fibbing on that. Yes, that's Ruby Gemstone, I'm sure it is. Then we have our gold silk. That is gorgeous. See the lines in that? It really looks like shot silk. Then we have our red velvet. Now this is a pearlescent card, double-sided. I love pearlescent. I think it's a lovely weight for your boxes and it's almost got like a satiny, shimmery sheen on the top of it. Then we have our glitter card. So this is our Welsh gold. It's a bit of a reddier gold than the other gold. So this is beautiful. Then we have Firestone Red. I'm hoping this is picking up on the screen. You can see bits of purple, bits of gold, burgundy, It's an iridescent mirror card, so you get lots and lots of colours just flashing between your eyes there. Beautiful. Then we have Crimson Silk. So again, this is that shot silk effect. But all the colours complement. I'll fan them all out after and then you can see. Then we have our tan card. I am loving this colour at the moment. I'm thinking it goes with so much. And again, it kind of bounces with these colours. It goes with golds, goes with teals, absolutely gorgeous, very natural colours. And then last but not least then, we have our satin card. And this is our, let me have a think, honey gold. That's this colour. I love this one because it's that gorgeous warm gold. So if I just fan out the papers, just so that you can see how they're all going to go together. So I can just imagine all this decorating your home. Or you know when you put all your cards ready, you're making them all to send out in your boxes. Imagine them all in this colour scheme. They're beautiful. So that's your papers. So I'm going to pop them together there. Then, next bit, it's time for a new folder. So if you come in that your folders are all looking a little bit full, the new one is arriving. So that's next. Then we have, first thing this time, we have some washi tape. So again, perfect to decorate your presents with. This could be wrapping your presents as well, little snippets of this. And maybe your brown paper or something. And your little tags from this set. All going to look stunning. So you will receive the 3 rolls. So you've got your plain red, your check, and your tartan red. So the next one then is your glitter pack. So there are 4 glitters. You will receive 2 of them. So this is Festive Gold and Ruby Red. But whichever ones you have, they will complement the rest of the pack. So I'm sure you've got to have a bit of glitter at Christmas. It's just got to be done. Then we have glitter accents. This is a thicker form of glitter. If I just open it up here, as you can see, it's quite thick. So you can make snowflake, icicles out of this. Leave it to dry a little bit and it will actually stretch. So it's good for forming. It's good for making large buttons out of the glitter accents as well, to add to your presents later on. Then we have our Midas Touch pens. This is our Blush Rosette. This is one of our newer colours, and the Aqua Shimmers. So if you've never had one of these before, to open your pen, take off the fluorescent little circle, squeeze the pen together, so keep tightening it. There we are, until it won't go no more, and then give it a squeeze. And that's how your pen will work. And you get a lovely, lovely blush gold then. There we are. So that's your pen. Then we have glitter drops in honey gold. So this is a very, very light gold, very subtle. You've got hues of green, gold, lovely little flashes in there. Nice to decorate your projects with afterwards. We have some Glacier Paste, and this is Golden Era. So it's a very soft gold, very gentle, and again will complement your projects. Cut out one of the main panels and use it as a stencil, and then you can pop this through the stencil then. And then my box is almost empty. I've nearly come to the end, but we have love, peace and joy. And that's what we're wishing you this Christmas. So now I'm going to share with you some of the gorgeous projects that we've got here. So we have, this is the shape of the box you're making, in case I haven't shown you. So you've got nice pattern shapes here that will also fit onto your cards as well. They can be turned upside down for a Christmas tree shape as well. Nice little bow to tie on the top, so they'll hold all your goodies. We have some various shapes here. So this is, let me take the packing out here. You can see this is a bigger pot. So it could be a pencil pot. It could be full of sweets. Anything you choose. Could be a pair of socks in there if you want to. That will fill in nicely. So this is 3 of the sides cut together and then just all crossed over on the base. Beautiful idea here, Ruth. I'm going to show you some of the colours now. So you can see this is the glitter accents on the outside, and there's some glacier paste then decorating the box. Again, it looks all very natural colours there. And I'm hoping you're seeing the red flashing behind this one. It almost looks like there's a fire inside this with a candle. That's what I'm seeing. So then we've gone very traditional with the Noel here and a little bit of colouring in the pattern. Then we've got some different shape boxes, but still made with the same shape die. So this time we've just wrapped the sides around to make almost like a cake box shape. So if you have a wedding at Christmas, just think of your cakes wrapped up in there. This one then is a little pyramid box, and this is made out of the panels on the front. So lovely ideas our team have gone to this time. So we've got cutting the pattern in. So we've got 2 of those here. And they're all cut into the card that's from the kit. So you'll be able to create these. And then you could see if you've got some lovely foil wrapped sweets, then you could pop them all inside. There's another one that's all cut in as well on the sides and then filled in on the front. So that's one of Shilpa's. I think this is Shilpa's as well. I know Shilpa's because she loves her flowers. But she's gone very bling with all her gold on the side. But I think Christmas allows you to do a little bit extra bling, I think. And then the backing here is the washi tape. So you can see you can just have the pattern peeking through. And then last but not least, we've got the iridescent card just flashing again there with the lovely tags. I love these tags where they're half decorated and half plain. Really pretty idea. And I haven't told you who the designer is this time, but it's Darcy. And this is typically Darcy's style because she loves very fine decoration. If you're short of time doing your Christmas cards as well, use your washi tape, lovely little sentiments, and a nice little bit of the glitter on the background. So this is one of our Jen's. Jen likes a lovely modern style. And that's it for today. I'm hoping you're enjoying these samples and they're going to feature as part of your Christmas.